Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here as the chart had a very nice day. And in fact, circling back to each one of these representing 30 minutes, why do I bring that up? Well, check out the last 30 minutes. I don't know if news or something came out, but huge volume the final 30 minutes, and you can see the price reacted very nicely with it during that last 30 minutes. So, is this going to get continuation going forward? We shall see, but no doubt about it, you really couldn't write up a better final 30 minutes of a day. But now let's get some things updated. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart, but they're not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update is right here at 25 cents, and this is based off a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and we actually have a perfect example of that. So it was acting as resistance. Like I said, when the price got above it, you would want to see it act as support, and check that out. Multiple times the bears try to press down, back down through there, but they had no success at all. So a great example, great real-life example of a resistance turning into support. And then obviously later on in the day, it kind of just acted as a trampoline and, up the price went. So 25 cents, newest area of support. Ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, won't make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward. If the price can stay up above 27 cents, that would be a best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below 27 cents, everything's ruined or anything like that. Now for the fun stuff, what about areas of resistance? So if this price is going to continue upwards, where are some potential battlegrounds? So for this, I'm actually going to go to a different time frame, and we're going to look at the daily. So is this a blue sky breakout? Let's see. Not quite. There's still some history back here. There we go. So next key level of resistance, and we're going way back in the chart's history, right up here at the 30-cent mark. So 30 cents, next key level of resistance. This is coming from, way back. You can see price knocked it down there. Knocked it down there a few times, knocked it down there, knocked it down there. So not saying it's impossible to break through 30 cents, just saying that, the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game. But all in all, at the end of the day, as I've said, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows, as time goes by, the chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interest in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.